Welcome, students. We are going to discuss the third part of Glimpses of India. In this third part, the writer has described about the place, namely Assam. Assam is known as a tea country. It is a place where tea is produced. This is the place which is famous for tea plantation. In this section, the writer has also focused on the existence of tea. How did the tea get its existence? The writer has also thrown light on the history of the tea. How did the tea get its existence? Writer has also focused on this question. Before beginning of this part, that is tea from Assam, we will focus on the outline of this part or introduction of this part. The lesson is about two friends, Pranjal and Razveer, who are traveling to Pranjal's hometown, Assam, for the summer vacation. Assam is known as the tea country. As I told you, Assam is known as a tea country. It has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. During their journey, they discuss about the various legends that are known to have discovered tea. How has tea been discovered? That is also the issue on which the writer has focused through the dialogue of Pranjal and Razveer. Through their conversation, we come to know the history of tea, how tea has been discovered. The story tells us about the popularity of tea as a beverage. Beverage is also kind of drink that is different from water, that is called beverage. So introduction of in this part, जैसे बताया कि राइटर ने दो तीन चीज़ों पर फोकस किया है. पहला, हिस्ट्री ऑफ टी, कैसे टी का एग्जिस्टेंस हुआ इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. प्रांजल और राजवीर के डिस्कशन के थ्रू हमको ये पता चलता है कि वेरियस लीजेंड्स क्या हैं टी को डिस्कवर करने में. इन चीज़ों की जानकारी हमें इस चैप्टर पर मिलती है और राइटर ने असम के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दी है. असम जो फेमस है टी प्रोडक्शन के लिए, टी प्लांटेशन के लिए. असम जो जाना जाता है टी कंट्री के रूप में. नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड टू द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ दिस पार्ट. सी, चाय गरम चाय, a vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. So from this line, from very first line of this part, we come to know that the scene is of a railway station. Generally in railway station we see a vendor used to call chai garam chai. So this is the scene where in the railway station. This is the scene of railway station. He came up to their window. He understand that is vendor. Their window means Pranjal and Razveer, and asked, "Chai Sahib?" Pranjal said, "Give us 2 cups." They sipped the steaming hot liquid. What is tea? That is a steaming hot liquid. So they started sipping the hot liquid that is known as a tea. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world, Rajveer said. So this is the statement of Rajveer. Rajveer view exclaimed Pranjal. Tea really is very popular. So through this statement, we come to know that tea is very famous among people. People like drinking tea. Steaming, I told you, extremely hot. Exclaimed means cry out suddenly in surprise. So in this paragraph, the writer has given the beautiful description of the railway station where the vendor is calling chai, garam garam chai, and Pranjal said to give them 2 cups of tea, and they started sipping the hot liquid. Almost everyone in their apartment was drinking tea. Everyone is drinking tea there. And do you know that that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. Oh, Rajveer said this one. Every day, 80 crore cups of tea are drunk. Pranjal said, oh, exclaimed with joy, he said, yes, tea is very popular among people. Now in the figure you can see, this is the scene of tea plantation where the girl is picking the upper leaves of the plant. So here you see. So यहाँ पे पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 में राइटर ने डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है रेलवे स्टेशन का, जहाँ पे वेंडर जो है चाय गरम चिल्लाता है और प्रांजल कहता है कि 2 कप चाय हमको दे दो, और वो अपना चाय पीना शुरू कर देते हैं। इसी बीच राजवीर कहता है कि 80 करोड़ कप्स ऑफ टी जो है प्रतिदिन क्या की जाती हैं, संसार में पी जाती हैं। ये सुनकर के प्रांजल थोड़ा सा उत्साहित होता है और सरप्राइज में कहता है वास्तव में जो टी है बहुत ही क्या है, प्रसिद्ध है। और नीचे फिगर में हम देख सकते हैं ये सीन है असम का, जहाँ पे टी प्लांटेशन का एक दृश्य है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, that is paragraph number 2. The train pulled out of the station. Means the train left the station. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. So what Pranjal was doing? Pranjal was reading a detective book. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories. Meaning is this, Pranjal and Rajveer both were interested in reading detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. So you remember Pranjal was busy in reading detective book, and Rajveer was looking outside of the window, and there he saw the beautiful scenery. It was green everywhere. The whole area is covered with the greenery. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields. Paddy fields means a field where rice is grown. Paddy fields means a field where rice is grown. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. It was magnetic view. It was magnetic view means when Rajveer looked outside of the window, he saw the beautiful scene, and the field is covered with the greenery. Everywhere greenery is seen. After seeing this scenery, Rajveer was attracted towards it. That's why it was a magnetic view in his opinion. Against the backdrop of densely wooden hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Dwarfing means caused to seem small or insignificant in comparison. The tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shady trees. Sturdy here means well built, strong shady trees. And amidst, in the middle of the orderly rows of bushes, busily moved doll-like figures. So here again there is a description of the beautiful scenery that was seen by Rajveer, and Pranjal was busy in his study. He was reading detective book, and Rajveer was looking outside of the window of the compartment, and he enjoyed the beauty. He liked it a lot, and Rajveer saw greenery everywhere. Further, the writer has described the beautiful field. He said that the whole field is covered with the whole wooden hill seems a sea of tea bushes. Means the whole area is covered with the tea bushes that is spread in a large field, and there is a tiny tea plants that is strong shade trees. Amidst the orderly rows of bushes, easily moved on like figures. So पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 में राइटर ने डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है। राजवीर जब खिड़की के बाहर देखता है, हिली एरियाज़ को देखता है, वो पाता है कि पूरा हिल जो है ग्रीनरी से भरा हुआ है, और जहाँ पे टी प्लांटेशन का एरिया है, यहाँ पे पूरी की पूरी जो हिली एरियाज़ हैं वो ग्रीन लीफ से, ग्रीन प्लांट से भरे हुए हैं। इसको देख करके राजवीर को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और ऐसा उसका मानना है, कोई भी इस दृश्य को देखता है तो एक मैग्नेटिक व्यू है, एक आकर्षण है, बहुत ज़ोरदार आकर्षण है इस दृश्य को देखने का। सभी उत्साहित होते हैं इस दृश्य को क्या करने के लिए, देखने के लिए। सो दिस इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द सीन. So again you see that in the figure you can see that the ladies are passing through the middle of the bushes. Okay, so this is the beautiful description made by the writer in the para number 2. Right, thank you.